We now send messages without thinking.
Chat at
Ah,
That's a good thing, right?
yeah, that's exactly the problem. Nobody is using it well. I built 3 rules for our team. One warning, especially for managers and business owners.
Hey Nishi.
Hey, Naruto.
So let's go for today's topic then. Chat at
Chat at work.
Right. So this is something every team is dealing with right now.
Slack, Teams, WhatsApp. In Japan, we also use chat work and Line. So, Naruto, do you use Line?
Yeah, I use Line most of the time.
And for business, Line works a lot.
Right.
So every team uses chat now, but almost nobody is using it well.
So why do you think that is?
Okay, so think about how work communication has evolved. First, we talked face-to-face, then we used the phone, the email, and now chat. So each tool became faster, each one became easier.
That's a good thing, right?
Yeah, that's exactly the problem.
Wait.
Problem. So it became so easy. We now send messages without thinking. And when you send a chat message without thinking, the person on the other side has no idea what you want from them.
Okay.
Yeah. So do you want them to read it, reply, decide something, or take action? They don't know. So they freeze or they ignore it or they reply with another question.
And the work just stops.
Yeah, those work stops. That's why I built 3 rules for our team. Okay, so rule 1, conclusion first. At the top of every message, write what you want the other person to do, then write the details.
Okay. Can you show me an example?
Yeah.
Because that sounds simple, actually.
Yeah, simple. Yeah.
But I bet many people aren't doing it.
Okay, so here's a typical bad example. Hi, I was thinking about the customer meeting next week and looking at the schedule, Tanaka-san might not be available, so maybe we should consider moving it. What do you think?
Yeah, I get the message like that every day.
Yes.
And honestly, half of time I don't know what they're asking me to do.
Exactly. Are you deciding? Are you just informed? Should I check Tanaka-san's schedule? You don't know. So now compare it to this. Please approve. Okay? Please approve. Move the customer meeting to Thursday at 3 p.m. Reason: Tanaka-san is not available on the original date.
Oh, that's much clearer.
Yes.
The first line tells me what I need to do.
Right. 5 seconds to decide. We use 4 key phrases at our company. Please approve. Please decide. FYI, for your information, please do. 1 line at the top. Every important message.
And this alone, just adding that 1 line.
Okay.
So, but actually change things.
So it cut our chat volume in half. No software, no training, just a habit. So rule 2, make the decision on chat.
Okay, what do you mean by that?
Okay, so make the decision means, this sounds obvious. In Japan especially, managers do something strange. A team member messages the boss with a question and the boss replies, let's discuss this in the next meeting. And the question gets postponed for days, sometimes weeks.
That happens all the time.
Yes.
Why do bosses do that?
Okay, here's what's really strange about this. Online, the chat app every Japanese person uses with friends and family for global WhatsApp or messengers. Okay, like this. So we make decisions all day long. Are you coming home for dinner? Yes. What time? 7 p.m. Pizza or sushi? Sushi. So decisions done in seconds, right?
Right, like no hesitation.
Yeah, no hesitation.
We just make the decision.
Okay, so exactly, but the same exact person at work when their team member asks a simple question, suddenly can't decide. Let me think about it. Let's talk about this next Monday. Let me check with someone first.
Yeah, same person, same brain, the same phone.
Yes, same person, same brain, same tool. The only difference? At work, we treat chat like it's not a real conversation.
That's a mistake.
Yeah, that's a mistake. If you can decide on Line or WhatsApp, you can decide on Slack or Google Chat. If the question is small enough to fit in a chat message, decide in the chat. Don't move it to a meeting.
And I assume this saves your team a lot of time.
Yes, hours every week just by stopping the let's discuss in the next meeting habit.
Right.
Okay. Rule 3, don't try to finish everything on chat.
Wait, that sounds like the opposite of rule 2.
I know it sounds contradictory. Let me explain. Okay.
Yeah, because the rule 2 said decide on chat. Now you're saying don't try to finish your chat.
Okay, so they work together. Let me show you how. I call this the 3 message rule. If you and the other person have gone back and forth 3 times on the same topic and you still haven't reached a conclusion, stop typing. Pick up the phone.
Or jump on a quick call.
Yes, or a 2 minutes video call. Whatever is faster.
So why 3? Why not 5? Why not 2?
Okay, good question. Here's what I figured out. If a topic can't be resolved in 3 messages, it usually means one of 3 things. One is there's emotional nuance you can't capture in text. Second is there's missing context that takes too long to type. Third is you're actually talking about 2 different problems without realizing it.
And all 3 of those things a call solves immediately.
Yes, immediately. Yeah, you can type for another hour and not get there, or you can call for 2 minutes and be there.
But Nishi, a lot of people in the tech world says the opposite.
Yes.
They say, async is better, don't interrupt people, respect deep work.
Yeah, that's true for simple things. But for anything complex, a 2 minutes call is more respectful of someone's time than 90 minutes of slow chat. Okay?
That's true. A strong refrain.
Yes.
I haven't heard it that way before.
Yeah, rule 2 and rule 3 work together. So decide in chat when you can. But if it's impossible, switch to call when chat is failing. Okay? Okay.
So let's recap the 3 rules so far.
All right. So rule 1, conclusion first. Tell people what you want from them at the top of the message. Rule 2, decide on chat. If it fits in chat, don't push it to a meeting. So rule 3, after 3 messages with no conclusion, call.
3 rules, that's it.
That's it. These 3 rules will change how your team communicates.
See, but you said there's a warning at the end. What's that?
Okay, one warning. Yeah, before we close, one warning, especially for managers and business owners watching this.
All right.
So this is something I see in Japan all the time. And honestly, I think it happens in other countries too. Chat is asynchronous communication. That's the whole point. The other person does it when they have time. You don't interrupt them. Okay? You don't interrupt them. But many managers, especially in Japan, including me, previously, okay? Forget this.
Where do you see it most?
On Saturday morning, the boss is thinking about work. Oh, I should remind the team about that thing. And they send a chat message.
And they think, it's fine. They can read it Monday.
Yes, right. It's just a chat message. No pressure. But here's the truth. The moment your team members' phone buzzes, they are already put back into work. Okay?
Yeah, even if they do not reply.
Even if they don't reply. So if they just look at it, their weekend is over. They are now thinking about your message instead of their family, their rest, their life. Okay?
Yeah, that's a heavy way to put it.
Yes, it's heavy because it's true. And as managers, we don't realize we are doing it.
So what's the fix? You can't tell managers to stop thinking about work on weekends, right?
Right, you can't. So here's my rule for myself as a CEO. If it's not urgent, don't send it on the weekend.
But what if you have the thought and you don't want to forget?
So use schedule send. Slack has it, Gmail has it, Teams has it. Almost every modern chat tool has it now. So write your message on Saturday, schedule it for Monday 9 a.m. Now.
So then the thought is captured, but the team isn't disturbed.
Yes, exactly. And if you are managers listening to this, please check yourself. You might think you are being a hard worker. You might think you are showing dedication. But your team is reading every message you send. Every notification you send on a weekend is a small piece of their life you've taken.
Yeah, that's a line that's going to stick with people.
Yes.
Right. Let's wrap this up.
Okay.
The whole package.
Conclusion first, decide on chat after 3 messages call. And one warning for managers, chat is async, respect your team's time.
Okay, simple but powerful.
Yes.
Okay, Nishi, before we close, if someone watching this only takes one thing from today, what should it be?
Conclusion first. Easiest place to start, just one habit. Try it this week. You'll feel the difference in a few days.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone, thanks for watching this. See you next time.
See you next time.